for inverted butterfly, not to be confused with butterfly wings. You can wrap your hammock and twist it up a little bit. Take one foot in and the other and stand up. Place your feet together, lean back, fold the insides of your feet together, and bend your knees wide as the hips lower towards your heels. Take one arm through, keep the other arm exactly as it is, pop the hip bones through, and then just reach for something. Charlie, Charlie, you're not impressed. And then come all the way down. This can feel really nice. This is a great stretch for the low back if you've been sitting too much. And it's really one of the more straight up and down inversions in aerial because you're not having to arch your back at all. It's just letting that length come in. What I really love here is to take your hands on thighs and push. You'll feel all this length come into the side bodies. And you can also take some twists, left hand across. I like to reach up with my right hand. Keep the spine long. You don't want to be twisting with a bent spine ever. Trying to keep that spine really long. And you might even grab for your ankles. Yay! To get back out, clap your hands behind your back so you know your thumbs are pointing the right way. Just grab on, squeeze your elbows to lift up. Grab high, stand up first, and then release one foot at a time.